Bro, why are you so yellow? Did you get too much sun?
Yeah, this is my natural sun-kissed color.
What are you talking about? Aren't all enoki mushrooms supposed to be white like me? Why would we need sunlight?
That's because you don't know the truth. I'm the real enoki mushroom. You white ones are artificially grown from my variety. You're called silver enoki mushrooms. By age, I'm your elder.
So what? We're artificially cultivated and we grow 3 times faster than you.
Growing fast doesn't mean anything. My growing period is longer, but my texture and flavor are way better than yours.
Whatever. Call yourself whatever you want.
Expert, aren't enoki mushrooms supposed to be white? Why are the ones I bought this time yellow?
The yellow enoki mushroom is actually the original variety. The white enoki mushrooms we usually see in stores, also called silver enoki, are a later developed albino variety. Golden enoki is the natural variety, so it grows more slowly and develops more umami compounds and a stronger mushroom aroma.
What are you doing?
I'm about to fulfill your destiny as a watermelon.
You're finally going to eat me? Huh? Why aren't you eating my flesh? Why are you keeping my rind?
Your rind has a special purpose.
What did you pour into me?
This is mirabolite. When it reacts with you, it can be turned into watermelon frost, a traditional remedy for soothing heat and reducing inflammation.
What are you doing now?
I'm tying you up here to dry for a week. Then the watermelon frost will be ready.
Expert, this watermelon frost actually cured my mouth ulcer. How does it work?
The main active ingredient in watermelon frost is hydrated sodium sulfate, also known as mirabolite. Its high osmotic pressure helps draw water out of swollen ulcer tissue, quickly reducing redness and swelling.
Why'd you plant me so shallow? It feels really wobbly down here.
Bro, you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. The fruit's just getting so heavy. I'm having trouble staying upright.
So, can I still get past you?
With a little breeze like that? No problem. Go ahead.
All right then. I'm coming through.
Ah! Crap! I can't hold up anymore!
Why'd you fall over? Don't try to blame me. Everyone, you heard him. He told me to come through. This isn't my fault.
Expert, my eggplant was growing just fine. How did it suddenly snap?
It was planted too shallow. Eggplants do better when planted a little deeper. If they're planted too shallow, the roots stay near the soil surface, where they're more vulnerable to drought and heat stress. The stem also won't develop enough adventitious roots, which weakens its ability to take up water and nutrients. That can stunt growth and make the plant more likely to fall over.
This damn heat is killing me. Honey, I can't take it anymore. I think I might have to release my pollen early.
Hey, my ears aren't even fully developed yet. Do it for the baby's health and wait a little longer, okay?
Fine. I'll hold on a little longer. Nope, I can't hold it in anymore.
If you just spray your pollen everywhere like that, what are our babies gonna look like?
Expert, what's wrong with my corn? Why did it grow like this?
The heat caused your corn to start tasseling too early. High temperatures speed up the development of the male tassels at the top, so they release pollen earlier than normal. But heat can delay silking in the ears, so the male and female flowers don't mature at the same time. That leads to poor pollination and fewer kernels. To prevent heat from causing corn to tassel too early, choose heat-tolerant varieties and adjust planting dates to avoid prolonged heat during flowering.
This place is so comfy. I could just relax here all day. Hey, who are you? Why are you holding on to me?
Help! It's an earthquake! I'm scared!
It only shook a couple of times. What's there to be afraid of?
If you're not scared, then why are you hugging me? I'm scared too! I'm scared too! Why are there more and more mycelium growing?
Expert, why do people hit shiitake mushroom logs?
Tapping the shiitake logs creates vibrations that stimulate the mycelium and disrupt its resting growth state, encouraging it to form mushroom buds. The vibrations also create tiny gaps inside the log, allowing oxygen to enter and carbon dioxide to escape. At the same time, they help balance moisture and temperature inside the log and push nutrients toward the surface, which helps the shiitake mushrooms grow more evenly and produce a higher yield.
It's so cold lately. I'm barely making any nectar. This is boring. Hey, why isn't he pollinating me?
Bro, don't worry. My flowers are about to bloom too.
What good are you gonna do?
Just wait and see.
Wow, why does it smell so good over here? So many flowers! Delicious! These flowers up here are pretty good too.
2,000 years later.
Awesome! I've got so many cherries now. Bro, let's team up again next year.
Expert, why are so many rapeseed flowers planted around cherry trees?
Planting rapeseed flowers around cherry trees serves several purposes. First, the bright yellow flowers attract bees and other pollinators, improving cherry pollination and fruit set. Later, the rapeseed plants can be turned back into the soil as green manure, increasing organic matter.
Dude, what did you put all over yourself? You look filthy.
You don't know anything. This is wood ash. Once I'm coated with it, no germs are gonna come near me.
Yeah, right. What a load of nonsense.
Wow, 2 giant potatoes! Let me take a bite. Why do you taste so bad? This one next to you looks so white. It must taste better.
Who are you? Stop licking me! Get out of here!
2,000 years later.
Man, I feel bad for you.
Expert, why do potato tubers grow better when they're coated with wood ash?
Wood ash is rich in potassium, which provides nutrients for potatoes and helps the tubers grow bigger. Since wood ash is alkaline, it can suppress soil pathogens and reduce seed potato rot. It also absorbs moisture and inhibits bacteria, protecting the cut surface and lowering the chance of the seed potatoes rotting. Remember, you must use dry, fresh wood ash.
Hey, are you crazy? Why are you stripping my bark in this freezing weather?
I'm doing it for your own good.
Are you serious? Stripping my bark is supposed to help me?
Take a look inside. See what's hiding in there?
Oh my god, there are insect eggs everywhere.
They're hibernating right now, so we can remove them along with the old bark. Once they wake up next year, it'll be much harder to deal with them.
You should have said that earlier. Strip it all off. Get it away from me.
That's more like it.
Expert, why do grapevines need their old bark removed?
The cracks and peeling layers of old bark on grapevines can easily hide insect eggs and pathogens. Removing the old bark in winter greatly reduces the chance of pests and diseases breaking out the following year. Old dead bark can also block airflow and nutrient transport through the trunk. Cleaning it off helps prevent frost damage from trapped snow and allows the grapevine to survive the winter safely.
Hey, why did you mutate? Why are you covered in white fuzz?
I didn't mutate. This is just how our variety looks.
How am I supposed to eat all that fuzz? You don't look tasty.
Try me. I'm delicious. I'm also the king of vitamin C.
This one looks normal. I'll pick you. Ah, why are you so hard and sour?
I'm not ready yet. You need to let me ripen first. See? That's what you get for judging by looks.
You think you taste better than him?
Of course! I have several times more vitamin C than him. And I'm already ripe, so you can eat me right away.
Wow, you're right. You taste great.
Expert, why does this kiwi grow fuzz? And why does it taste better than regular kiwis?
This is a rare variety of kiwi fruit called Actinidia eriantha. It can ripen naturally on the vine, so it doesn't need artificial ripening. That gives it a richer flavor and makes it taste much better than regular kiwis picked early for mass production.
What are you doing? You're seriously trying to pick my flowers while I'm not looking?
I was just trying to help out. These flowers need to be removed early.
How is picking someone else's flowers helping? Go pick your own. These flowers look so pretty. Why would I remove them?
Fine. Do whatever you want. Don't say I didn't warn you.
2,000 years later.
Ah! Why am I splitting open?
See? You should have listened to me. Regretting it now, huh?
Expert, why did this watermelon split open?
After your watermelon was pollinated, you didn't remove the withered flower. The dead petals absorbed moisture, became moldy, and allowed diseases to infect the blossom end, leaving scars. When the fruit expanded, the uneven stress around those damaged areas caused it to crack. The leftover flower can also restrict the young fruit's growth, causing it to become misshapen. Misshapen watermelons are much more likely to split as they grow.
Guys, the sun is shining so bright. Let's see who can ripen first.
Seriously? How childish. What's there to compete about?
I'm in. Are you scared you'll lose?
Why would I be scared? Bring it on.
I'll go first.
Wait for me.
What's wrong with you two? I didn't even say start yet. What happened? How did you two already change color?
I pushed myself too hard. Once I ripened, the carotenoids in my body started increasing.
Same here. My anthocyanins have already overtaken my chlorophyll.
Then why am I still green?
Expert, why did these peppers grow in 3 different colors?
Pepper color comes from both ripeness and variety. Green peppers are usually unripe. As they mature, chlorophyll breaks down, revealing red or yellow pigments. Different varieties naturally contain different pigments, so they can turn different colors when they ripen.
Why'd you snap off the flower?
You serious? You're blooming too. I'm helping you get rid of it.
You got a screw loose or something? If you cut the flower, how's it gonna grow potatoes?
Dummy, potatoes here means the tubers, not the fruit.
You're way too controlling. I want to bloom.
All that flower does is steal your nutrients.
What do you know? I'm saving it for seeds.
Why go through all that trouble? Just use the tubers. They sprout way faster.
I don't care. I'm not cutting it off.
Later.
Why are my potatoes so tiny?
You let all your nutrients go to the flowers. What'd you expect?
Who the hell put medicine on my blueberries? Again! Next time, I'm definitely catching you in the act. It's you! You've been secretly putting medicine on yourself this whole time.
What are you talking about? Put what on them?
Caught red-handed and still denying it? What's that white powdery stuff on your face?
That's the natural bloom I produce myself. It protects against sun, locks in moisture, and fights bacteria. The more visible and intact the bloom, the fresher the blueberries.
So you're saying the ones with the bloom are actually healthier? Well then, I've got to give these a try.
Now you know why blueberries have that white coating on them?
What's this for? Why'd you cut off my leaves? What is this thing? It doesn't even look like it came from a potato plant. Hey, why'd you go and graft this thing onto me? No way I can control what kind of fruit it's gonna produce.
Later.
They're both from the nightshade family, so grafting them together actually works. 1 plant, 2 kinds of fruit. Tomatoes on top, potatoes down below. Looks like it's gonna be a great harvest this year.
Dude, how about you guys stop growing here and let me move you onto some super rootstock?
No thanks, we don't want to leave. Hey, can't you hear me? Then why'd you cut me down anyway?
The boss wants to do some grafting, so just come with me already.
You're putting both of us on the same rootstock. Is that even gonna work?
You're both in the nightshade family. Don't worry, you'll be fine.
Man, eggplant and chili pepper together? Aren't they gonna mess with each other's flavor?
Whoa, the dual-bough eggplant tree grafted from eggplant and chili pepper actually worked! Now I can have 2 veggies in one go!
Dude, how's that rainwater tasting?
Tastes amazing, man. Too bad you can't get any.
Who do you think you're looking down on? I'll drink it right now, just watch! Whoa, this is so good. So you've been keeping all this to yourself the whole time.
Hey, who said you could grow roots?
Why can't I? We're in fair competition. Let the best man win.
Oh no, what do we do now?
What are you doing? You pulled all my roots out. Your roots were stealing all the nutrients! How's the sweet potato supposed to grow?
Serves you right for competing with me for nutrients.
Good thing we flipped the sweet potato vines. That's why they turned out so big and healthy.
You scared me. What are you trying to do?
Your hairstyle is way too outdated. I'm gonna give you a new look. What style do you want?
Whatever.
All right, let's start with the dragon fruit.
But I'm a cactus. You think sticking a dragon fruit on me is gonna work?
You're in the same family. Grafting will do the trick. Then I'll add some Christmas cactus and top it off with a succulent. Now this hairstyle is totally on point. You can just stay here and grow it yourself.
Check out my cactus. Looks awesome, right? Yours is so ugly.
My trunk's rotted out this bad. Can't even take up nutrients anymore. Is this it for me?
Whoa, how am I alive again?
This bridge grafting works like a charm. Actually brought my fruit tree back to life. This old tree will be bearing fruit again next year.
Why do I have all these thorns on me? This is so ugly.
What are you messing around with? These thorns protect us.
Mind your own business, you spiky freak. This melon looks juicy. Let me try it. Ugh, it's all thorns. It's poking me to death.
You wanted to eat me? Dream on.
This melon doesn't have thorns. I'm done for. Ugh, my whole body's covered in cuts. It hurts so bad. This isn't so bad. The leaves are covering me and keeping the bugs away. What's going on? I can't breathe.
Well, that's what happens when you remove all the thorns. Without them, the leaves are all pressed against you. So of course you're gonna suffocate. Now do you get why we cucumbers have spines?
Hey, Potato, you want a wife?
Yeah!
Then I'll send one over to you.
No way! That's a thing? I have been feeling kinda lonely on my own. So yeah, send her over.
You got it. I'm not marrying him. Nothing good will come out of us being together.
Are you serious? We're not even the same type. How would that even work?
Don't worry, you're both in the nightshade family. Growing together won't be a problem.
Look at that. Grafting this eggplant onto the potato plant actually worked. We've got a great harvest this year.
Honey, I'm about to release my pollen. Catch it!
Come on over. I'm gonna grow the sweetest, most delicious corn kernels ever.
Is that enough, honey?
Not quite. That's all you've got? Give me a little more.
You got it!
Huh? Where did this purple pollen come from?
Hey, who's throwing pollen on my wife?
Sorry, buddy. A gust of wind blew my pollen over here.
Why is there another cloud of white pollen drifting over?
And who did that?
Oh no. Now I've got pollen from all three of you. What are my babies gonna look like when they grow up?
What's going on? Why is my corn growing in so many different colors?
Multicolored corn is a natural result of genetics, not genetic modification. Corn is a cross-pollinated crop, so different varieties can easily exchange pollen through the wind. When corn plants with different kernel colors pollinate the same ear, the kernels can develop in a variety of colors, creating a colorful mix on a single cob.
Look at all the mandarin oranges I've grown. They're doing great. Hey, what are you doing? I worked so hard to grow those mandarin oranges, and you cut them all off?
Mandarin oranges aren't selling for much these days, so I grafted some pomelo branches onto your tree instead. Take good care of them.
My pomelos are growing pretty well too. Hey, you're back again? Why'd you cut off all my pomelo branches?
People aren't really into pomelos anymore. Oranges are what's popular now, so that's what we're growing from now on.
Come on, don't switch them again. I'm running out of branches for you to cut.
Expert, how did you do that? How could this tree grow mandarin oranges, then pomelos, and now oranges?
I did it using a technique called grafting. Mandarin oranges, and pomelos are all closely related members of the citrus family. So branches from one can be grafted onto another and continue growing normally. And even many other types of citrus fruits as well.
What the heck is this thing growing here?
Hey, buddy, I'm a lotus root. Looks like we're gonna be neighbors from now on.
Neighbors? So you're trying to take over my territory? Let me show you what I'm capable of.
Why'd you snap off my growing tip? We should be getting along.
Who wants to get along with you? I can't stand the sight of you.
Stop pinching me! Oh no, I feel like my whole body's filling up with water.
Expert, what's going on? Did all the lotus rhizomes I planted go bad?
This happened because you didn't completely remove the crayfish from the field before planting. If any crayfish are left behind, they'll bite off or eat the growing tips of newly planted lotus rhizomes, preventing them from sprouting properly. Even if they do manage to sprout, the crayfish can damage the lotus field and create poor growing conditions, eventually causing the lotus rhizomes to rot and die.
What are you doing? I'm not even ripe yet, and you're picking me already?
Look at your skin. Your stripes are already formed. How could you not be ripe?
I may look ripe on the outside, but I'm not sweet at all yet.
Smells bad, too.
See? Even bugs don't want to eat me.
It's fine. I'll just ripen you a bit more later. You're good to go now.
What's going on? Why does this cantaloupe taste bitter?
You bought a force-ripened cantaloupe that wasn't fully mature. In naturally ripened melons, sugar accumulation and the breakdown of cucurbitacins happen in sync. However, artificial ripening mainly speeds up external changes, while the internal sugars don't fully develop. In this pseudo-ripe state, the cucurbitacins haven't had enough time to fully break down. As a result, force-ripened melons often end up tasting noticeably bitter.
You think a cheap paper bag can stop me?
Hey, why'd you throw the bag away? Aren't you worried bugs are gonna bite your fruit?
Wearing a bag is so suffocating. No way I'm doing that.
Look at it. Your fruit's covered in all this russeting.
What do you know? That's a sign it's ripe. How come yours doesn't have any russeting?
Haha, that's what you get for not bagging it. Regretting it yet?
Expert, why is this pear so hard when I bite into it?
Your pear wasn't bagged, so it was exposed to direct sunlight, wind, and rain. In that harsh environment, it triggered a self-protection response. To defend against strong UV radiation, insect damage, and pathogen attacks, the peel produces more lignin and cellulose, making the skin thicker and tougher. At the same time, the conditions accelerate water loss through transpiration, which lowers cell turgor pressure and increases the density of the flesh. That's why it feels so hard and firm when you eat it.
Are you crazy? You actually want to die?
Don't accuse me. I'm only cutting the bark, not the inside. He's still alive.
Exactly. A couple of cuts can redirect nutrients back to the fruit. Buddy, wanna try it too?
No way! I don't believe you.
Fine. Don't regret it when your fruit can't compete with others.
2,000 years later.
Wait, why are your fruits bigger and more plentiful than mine?
That's what happens when you don't believe us. Regretting it now?
Expert, why does cutting a jackfruit tree a few times make the fruit grow better?
When the trunk is cut, it blocks some of the nutrients produced by the tree canopy from flowing back down to the roots. This forces more nutrients to be redirected toward the fruits, helping them develop. The physical stress also stimulates the tree to produce more hormones, which helps the fruit stay on the tree and increases yield. However, it needs to be done carefully. Cutting too deep or too often can damage the tree.
What happened to your hairstyle? Do you really think you can grow good dragon fruit like that?
Mind your own business. I like this look.
Let me give you a little makeover.
Hey, did you just snap my branches?
Relax, I didn't break them. I'm bending the injured root joint area to make the branches grow downward.
Then why did you cut my branches off?
I'm just pinching off your growing tips. It helps you switch into the fruiting stage so you can grow better tasting fruit.
2,000 years later.
Expert, how do you grow dragon fruit that's bigger and more abundant?
First, bend the dragon fruit branches downward. Once the branches are bent, the nutrients produced by photosynthesis flow back and build up at the bent area. These nutrients then stimulate the branches to produce flower buds. After that, cut off the tips of the bent branches. From then on, all the nutrients produced by photosynthesis will be used to thicken the branches and support flowering and fruit production.
Hey bro, come out and enjoy some fresh air. Aren't you uncomfortable being wrapped up like that?
It's banana paper mixed with ivermectin. It protects us from pests and breaks down easily in the environment.
I've never even heard of that.
Want to try it too?
No way. I want to be a free potato.
Wow, that smells amazing! That's the smell of potatoes. Here I come, potatoes!
2,000 years later.
Bro, that's just brutal. Good thing I wrapped myself in banana paper.
Expert, what did you wrap the potatoes with? Why did the yield increase so much?
We wrap them with banana paper containing ivermectin. The paper absorbs the chemical signals released by potato roots that attract nematodes, making it harder for them to locate the potatoes. At the same time, small amounts of ivermectin can directly kill or repel nematodes in the soil, protecting the roots from damage. And that's the reason the potato yield increased so much.
What are you doing?
I'm just taking a few leaves.
You call this a few? I'm almost bald now.
Don't be so stingy. I'll take a few leaves today, and in a few days, I'll give you a bunch of new succulents.
You better keep your word.
I've been waiting for half a month, and they finally grew roots. Look, what do you think?
I can't believe this method actually turns one plant into many.
Expert, how can a single succulent leaf grow into a whole new plant?
A succulent leaf can grow into a complete plant because it stores a lot of water and nutrients, and it contains special cells called meristematic tissue that can develop into different plant parts. Under the right conditions, the leaf can grow new roots and shoots, eventually becoming a new plant with the exact same genes as the original.
Why are you cutting me? I can't even eat!
You're right. You can't be eaten, but you can be used to grow a baby pineapple.
Why are you pulling off my leaves again?
I'm removing the old and damaged leaves to help you grow roots.
2,000 years later.
Nice! Look at all these roots you've grown.
What are you trying to do now?
It's time to move you into a new home.
Wow, this place is way more comfortable.
Now that you have enough nutrients and room to grow, you'll definitely produce a big pineapple.
Expert, how did you do that? You actually grew a new pineapple from the top of one.
That's because the leafy crown on top of a pineapple already contains a small bud. If you cut it off and put it in water or soil, that bud can grow roots on its own in a warm, humid environment. Eventually, it grows into a whole new pineapple plant.
I'm exhausted. I need to take a break.
Why did you stop? Can't you see the potatoes are still hungry?
I'm only resting for a minute. Why are you in such a hurry? Besides, the potatoes have already grown this big. What else is there to take care of?
They still need more time to grow. Hurry up and get that to work.
No, I'm not. Huh? What is this stuff?
Looks like some kind of chemical.
Ah! Why can't I control myself?
That's what you get for slacking off. Now the potatoes are finally big enough.
Expert, what did you spray on these potato plants? The potatoes grew huge.
That was choline chloride. It can greatly improve the photosynthesis efficiency of potato leaves, helping them produce more nutrients. At the same time, it redirects those nutrients more efficiently and prioritizes sending them to the underground tubers, making the potatoes grow larger and increasing the percentage of big potatoes.
Why don't my grapes smell sweet and fruity? I'll send them more nutrients and see if that helps. Why isn't it working?
I can help you.
Aren't you just a pair of scissors? How can you help me?
Don't underestimate me. Just watch.
Hey, what are you doing? You're cutting off my grapes.
You have too many grapes growing on you.
The grapes are competing for nutrients. I'll remove some so the rest can get more sugar and flavor.
Are you sure you're not just messing with me?
Stop arguing and trust me. Now send them nutrients again and see what happens.
Wow, you aren't kidding. My grapes are so much more fragrant and flavorful now.
Expert, why did removing some grapes make the others taste better?
Because a grapevine has limited nutrients. Too many grapes mean each one gets less sugar and flavor. Removing some lets the vine feed the rest better, making them bigger and tastier while reducing diseases.
Ugh! Every day you just keep dumping fertilizer into my pot, but I can't even absorb it. Can you switch it up a little?
Here you go.
What is that supposed to mean? Why are you throwing a dead fish in here?
I had nowhere to throw it, so I just put it in your pot.
You don't even treat me like a flower. You're basically using me as a trash can.
Whatever. Do what you want with it.
Fine. Might as well try something different today.
Later.
Expert, what's going on here? This wilted flower came back to life just because a dead fish was buried in the soil?
The chemical fertilizer was too strong and damaged the roots. The dead fish acted as organic fertilizer. It slowly decomposed, releasing nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus. It also improved the soil structure, allowing air to reach the roots again so they could breathe and recover.
Wow, I get my own room? Nice. Hey, buddy, jealous much?
Jealous of what? You're packed in there like a sardine.
You're just jealous. I'm definitely gonna grow big and sweet and sell for a great price.
We'll see about that.
2,000 years later.
Ugh, I'm getting squished in here. Finally got some room to breathe.
Look at that big square head of yours. You're ugly as heck. Let's see who'd buy you. What? I'm big, sweet, and only selling for $5 each. How come that square-headed melon sells for $20 each?
Didn't see that coming, did you? People just love square heads.
Why does this square watermelon taste so bad? It's so expensive, and it's not even ripe inside.
Square watermelons are expensive because they're costly to grow and are mainly sold as novelty items. They're picked before they're fully ripe, so they keep their square shape, which is why they often aren't very sweet.
Wow, there's a razor clam here.
Haha, trying to catch me? The best you can do is grab my nose.
Oh yeah? Watch me pull you out. You're pretty good at hiding. Time to bring out the secret weapon.
What is this stuff? Ugh, it's insanely salty. This is bad. The sodium in the salt is changing my environment. I've got to get out of here.
Haha! Gotcha now!
That's so cheap. Fighting dirty, huh?
Why does adding salt make it easier to catch a razor clam? What's the science behind it?
When salt is poured onto the sand, it quickly raises the salinity around the razor clam. Because of osmotic pressure, the clam loses water and becomes very uncomfortable. To protect itself, it extends its long siphon, what people often call its nose, out of the burrow to breathe and expel water. Once that siphon is exposed, you can quickly grab it and pull the clam right out of the sand.
Hey, what are you doing? Why'd you cut off all my branches? How am I supposed to grow tangerines now?
Relax. I'll bring you some new branches in a minute.
What even are these? You're just sticking them in like that?
This one's lemon, this one's orange, and this one's grapefruit. They're all new shoots from this year. If they grew on their own, it'd take a couple more years to fruit. You guys are all citrus anyway, so I'm counting on you.
Then what about my tangerines?
2,000 years.
After all these years growing here, and none of the fruit are even mine.
This tree is pretty cool. One tree growing 3 different kinds of fruit.
Hey, where did you come from? You're not here to eat me, are you?
Of course not. We crayfish don't eat rice plants. Look, buddy, I just dug this burrow underneath you. It loosens up the soil around your roots.
Wow, you're right. My roots can spread much more easily now.
And I can eat weeds too. Plus, my waste makes great fertilizer for you. Here, give it a try.
Not bad. Your poop is packed with nutrients.
Expert, what's going on here? They actually raise crayfish and rice in the same field?
This is called a rice-crayfish farming system. The crayfish move through the paddies, eat pests and weeds, and their waste provides natural fertilizer for the rice. That helps reduce the need for chemical fertilizers and pesticides. The result is safer, more environmentally friendly rice, while farmers can also harvest crayfish, getting two sources of income from the same field.
Wow, that's beautiful! My turn now!
My shift's over. Time to grab some lunch.
Hey, don't leave! Finish me first!
Why are you pulling on me? It's not that I'm slacking off. This is just how we do things. Once it's time, we stop taking customers.
Come on, it'll only take a minute. You're almost done!
Rules are rules. My hands are tied. Just wait until 1 p.m. I'll be back then.
What's wrong with this bee? So irresponsible. Why do I look like this?
What's going on with this strawberry? It looks all misshapen.
That's usually caused by poor pollination. If the weather is bad, bees and other pollinating insects may not be active enough, so some parts of the flower don't get pollinated. Those areas won't fully develop, causing the strawberry to grow unevenly. But don't worry, it may not look pretty, but it tastes just like a normal strawberry and is perfectly safe to eat.
What is this thing? It's growing so fast.
Hey, buddy, I'm Mint. Looks like we're gonna be neighbors from now on.
Sounds good. Let's get along. Hey, what are you doing? Keep your feet on your own side.
Come on, you've got all that empty room. Why not let me have it?
No way! If you take it all, how am I supposed to grow?
Then let's see who can claim it first.
Fine by me. Bring it on!
Ha! I've never lost a turf war.
Stop crowding me! Leave me some room!
Expert, what's going on? All the onions I planted are gone, and only the mint is left.
That's because mint is much more aggressive than onions. Its underground runners spread rapidly, taking up water and nutrients. Mint roots can also release chemicals that suppress nearby plants. Onions have shallow roots and grow more slowly. In the end, the mint takes over and becomes the only thing left growing there.
I'm the only flower in this room. It's so lonely.
How about I plant one of your cuttings and give you a companion?
Wouldn't that take forever?
Nope, I've got a secret weapon.
Your secret weapon is a banana?
Don't underestimate it. Just keep growing. I'll be back later.
Expert, how does this work? How did you grow a new rose so fast?
I use the rose's natural ability to regenerate and the banana's root-promoting properties. The banana releases sugars and ethylene, helping the cutting form a healing tissue called callus, which later develops into roots. Once the roots are established, the cutting can grow into a new rose plant.
What's he doing up there? That's kind of creepy. He's looking for us. We'd better stay hidden.
No bamboo shoots here.
He left. I'm going out to get some fresh air.
Idiot! Are you trying to get yourself killed? He's just trying to trick us out.
Why hasn't this shoot popped up yet? Maybe there really isn't one here.
Bro, you're a genius.
Of course. As long as we stay underground, nobody will ever find us.
Haha, this fool is back again. We're hidden so well. How did you find us?
Those leaves right next to you are a dead giveaway. Dig there, and you'll find a shoot every time.
Expert, how did you know there was a bamboo shoot here?
Bamboo shoots grow from underground rhizomes. When a shoot is developing, it uses a lot of nutrients, causing nearby bamboo leaves to turn pale yellow-green or gray-green. If you see leaves like that, there's a good chance a bamboo shoot is growing below.
Dude, why are you so pale? You don't even look like a strawberry anymore.
Man, you're clueless. Haven't you ever seen a white strawberry?
A white strawberry? Never heard of it. Looks to me like you're just malnourished and can't make anthocyanins anymore.
Sounds like you're just jealous because my skin is so fair.
Jealous of you? Look at you. You don't even look fully ripe. I bet you don't taste very good either.
Please, I'm sweet and delicious. Unlike you, you're all tart and way more likely to give people allergies.
Is this white strawberry genetically modified? It barely tastes sour at all. It's almost like a mix of pineapple, peach, and pear flavors.
White strawberries aren't genetically modified. They're a special variety developed through natural mutations and selective breeding. Since they contain very little anthocyanin, they stay white or pale pink and have a unique, creamy sweetness.
Bro, aren't we annual rice plants? How are you still growing back?
I'm a Rhizolongus amanata, a wild perennial rice. I can send my rhizomes deep and far underground and reproduce vegetatively through them.
Wow, I want to be a perennial rice plant too.
What are you planning to do?
Now I can keep growing year after year too. But why am I producing fewer grains?
You can't have it all. A lot of your nutrients are going into those rhizomes, so naturally you'll produce less rice.
No way. Only kids choose one or the other. I want both. Haha! Now I've kept the perennial trait and I can still produce lots of rice.
Scientist, how did you pull that off? After harvest, this rice sprouts again from the stubble, just like chives.
We crossed cultivated Asian rice with wild perennial rice and introduced its perennial growth genes into cultivated rice. After generations of selective breeding, we developed perennial rice varieties. Hey, Napa Cabbage, are you ready? I'm about to pollinate you.
I'm ready. Come on over. Wait a second. You're red cabbage, and I'm Napa cabbage. Can we even cross-pollinate?
Of course we can. We're both members of the Brassica family. Why wouldn't we?
Fair enough. Go ahead. Hold on a minute. You're purple and round, and I'm green and long. What kind of baby are we gonna end up with?
Stop asking questions. We'll find out once it grows.
Who would have thought that crossing Napa cabbage with red cabbage would produce a purple Napa cabbage? It actually looks pretty cool.
Hey, come on! Chop my bananas! My bananas are super tasty! What are you doing? Just chop the bananas, not me!
Now that the bananas are harvested, you guys are useless. Might as well chop you down and dig out the roots to grow more banana trees.
What is this stuff? It's so dirty.
This is plant ash. It kills germs and disinfects. Plus, it helps roots grow better.
Haha, this method is awesome! Now we can grow bananas forever!
Why are you cutting me? Good thing I can grow back. Why are you still cutting? Don't you want me to bear fruit? Let's see. If I bloom, will you still cut me? You actually just picked my flower again! That's too much! There's only one flower left, so all my nutrients are going to just this one fruit.
Yep, this dragon fruit really does need regular pruning to grow a big red one.
Get up! It's time to start fruiting!
Are you kidding me? I haven't pollinated yet. Even if I wanted to, I couldn't.
Look at this!
Look at what? I feel dizzy.
Hypnosis worked!
What was I about to do?
It's time for you to bear fruit.
Got it.
2,000 years later.
Huh? Wait a minute. I haven't even been pollinated. How am I fruiting early? Oh no, there are no seeds.
Turns out, brainwashing grape flowers with a plant growth regulator can make them produce seedless grapes. Now they can sell them for a good price.
Hey, the bananas are fresh right now. Hurry up and take them. Look at mine, big and fresh. They've got to taste amazing. What are you doing? Why did you cut down the whole plant?
Banana plants only fruit once. After that, they stop growing. And even if you you leave them, they'll just wither away.
So you just cut everything down like that?
Bananas are actually herbaceous plants. They can keep reproducing. Cutting them down helps new plants grow next year.
I'm alive again.
Bro, why are you always sighing?
That melon next to me keeps saying my flesh is yellow and that I'm not as sweet as it is.
Don't listen to that nonsense. With me around, there's no way you won't turn out sweet.
What kind of water are you pouring on me?
It's brown sugar milk water. You mix brown sugar and milk powder in a 2-to-1 ratio. Dilute it with water and pour it around the roots. Supposedly, it helps make the watermelon sweeter.
No way. Really? Then I'm gonna drink up.
Wow, watering watermelons with brown sugar milk really does make them sweeter. This is crazy delicious.
Huh? Why am I getting so many spots? Hey, you up there! What are you sneaking bites of?
Nothing much. Just your calcium. Kinda tasty, actually.
So you're the one stealing all my calcium! I'm so calcium deficient my skin's breaking out!
I only ate a little of your calcium. Why are you being so stingy?
You've got some nerve! Spit it back out right now!
The new shoots are taking all the calcium. This apple's so calcium deficient, it's getting bitter pit.
Hey, you've grown so tall! Why still no fruit?
Aren't you stating the obvious? I'm a guy. What fruit am I supposed to grow?
What? You can't even produce fruit? Then I've been raising you for nothing! Someone! Perform a sex change surgery on him!
What? What surgery? You actually went through with the surgery on me!
2,000 years later.
Huh? Why does my voice sound so different? I really turned into a girl!
Didn't expect this papaya tree could undergo a sex change surgery. That's wild.
What are you trying to do? You just drained the water and now you want to cut me down?
Your stalks are nice and green and sweet. Gotta cut them for the cows to eat.
You only care about the cows? What about all my babies down there?
I'm just cutting you, not digging them up yet.
If you cut me too early, they won't get enough photosynthesis, so they won't store as much sugar and won't be as sweet.
Then when should I cut you?
Wait until I turn yellow and dry out.
All right, I'll come back later then.
2,000 years later.
These water chestnuts are so sweet. Good thing I didn't cut the leaves too early.
Why is the soil so hard? Hey, you up there! Why haven't you loosened the soil?
Why's a little weed like you trying to come out? Just stay down there.
Who are you calling a weed? Look closer. I'm wheat.
Then you're probably just not pushing hard enough. Try shoving a little more.
Just look at this. The soil's all compacted, hard and heavy. How am I supposed to grow through that?
All right, don't get mad. I'll loosen it up for you right now. There, now the soil's soft and loose, so you can grow out properly.
Soil really needs to be loosened regularly. If it gets too compacted, even wheat seedlings can't sprout.
This is the secret to making you guys sweeter. Don't knock those rocks off.
Bro, does this thing actually work?
It's just a small rock. Just leave it there. What if it actually helps? Why'd you throw it on the ground? Hang in there a bit longer.
Oh, come on! What if it ends up stunting my growth? Man, doesn't that feel uncomfortable? Just toss it.
No way! I'm gonna be the sweetest melon, no matter what.
You're really going all in, huh? Can't believe you're still holding up.
Even if I can't, I've gotta push through.
A few moments later.
Wow, putting rocks on the watermelon really does make it sweeter once the day-night temperature difference increases.
What are you doing? You totally snuck up on me. What did you just drip on me?
It's just colchicine, plant-derived. Relax, you're fine.
Then why do I feel like something's off?
What the? Oh my god, I just got copy-pasted!
As a reward for cooperating, we're hooking you up with a wife.
Wow, how nice of you.
So that's how seedless watermelons are made.
Haha, you can't hit me. Fine, forget it. Do whatever you want. Bro, it just smacked you. Why didn't you dodge?
Our cilantro seeds have pretty tough shells. Cracking them like that actually helps them sprout easier.
If it's not growing, it's definitely because you didn't try hard enough. Watch this. Huh? Why didn't it sprout? Let me try again. Wait, don't tell me it's not gonna grow at all?
Haha, just watch how I do it.
Give cilantro seeds a little tap beforehand. They'll sprout way faster.
Why'd you pile all these rocks on me? I can barely breathe under here.
Dude, don't be so quick to push them off. Maybe those rocks actually serve a purpose.
What good could these stupid rocks possibly do? Instead of messing around with all this nonsense, why don't they just give us more fertilizer? Why did it suddenly get so scorching hot? I'm dying of thirst.
Bro, maybe you should just put those rocks back on. At least they'd give you some shade.
No need.
Wow, these rocks actually collect moisture at night and keep us hydrated. You sure you don't want to put them back?
Nope, I said no, and I mean it.
2,000 years later.
Covering them with a layer of gravel keeps the moisture in and blocks the sun. No wonder these watermelons turn out so sweet.
Time to harvest. Is everyone ready? You, bit small for size. You're a grade B fruit. You, nice, big and red. Grade A. Hey, what's up with you? Tiny and not even fully colored. Grade C for you.
No way, man. Don't pick me yet. Just give me another chance.
All right, fine. I'll come back later.
Hey, you down there. Give me more nutrients, please. I don't want to be grade C.
Got it. I'll get you some extra minerals.
How's that? Sweet enough, but my skin's still not red enough.
Easy fix. I've got just the thing for color. Reflective film.
Awesome! I finally made it to grade A.
Now that's a grade A fruit. Crisp and sweet, just like it should be. I'm all grown up now, so why hasn't anyone come to pick me yet?
Who knows? Since no one's paying you any attention anyway, why not give back to the family a little?
What do you mean? Hey, why are my nutrients being drained away?
Haven't you noticed there are younger brothers and sisters here who need to be fed? You're the oldest, so you've got to help them out.
Fine. This feels awful, like my whole body's being emptied out.
Don't be so dramatic. The oldest always has to give a little more.
I can't take it anymore. That's it. I've become a hollow melon.
This watermelon's ripe. We need to pick it now, or the nutrients will flow back, and it'll end up hollow inside.
Why are you holding an umbrella? If you don't get enough sun, how are the sweet potatoes supposed to grow?
What do you know? This is my little beauty secret.
Seriously? Yeah, right. I don't buy it.
Sit yourself. Just wait and see.
Whoa, you actually bloomed? That looks amazing.
Told you so. Regretting not believing me now?
What good is a lousy flower anyway?
Ooh, someone's jealous.
Where did this umbrella come from? And why is it blooming?
So pretty, isn't it?
You only care about looking good up there. The flower sucked up all the nutrients, and now your sweet potatoes are all tiny.
No! My sweet potatoes! My back feels like it just snapped. I can't even straighten up.
Oh my god, how did you end up like this?
Don't just stand there staring. Help me out.
All right, time for you to witness my acupuncture skills.
My back's burning. Are you seriously telling me a couple of cuts will fix this?
Once I make these cuts, the skin cells in that area stop growing, while the bent side keeps growing. Slowly, it'll straighten itself out. And don't worry, my technique doesn't even leave scars.
Later.
Wow, I didn't expect just a couple of cuts could actually straighten a cucumber. That's amazing.
I'm gonna pull some cilantro to make sauce.
Hey, hold on! You keep yanking it out once it grows, then planting it again. Doesn't that get exhausting?
Oh yeah? Got a better idea?
Let me show you a new way to harvest it today. You'll have more cilantro than you can ever eat. Just pick the outer, fully grown leaves and leave the center intact. After a while, it'll grow back into fresh cilantro again.
Really? All right, I'll take your word for it this time.
Later.
Wow, this actually works. Now I've got more cilantro than I can use.
What are you doing? Aren't you worried you might snap me in half?
Trust me, I know what I'm doing.
Usually people stake us upright so we grow straight. Now you're pushing me over. What's the plan?
When tomato plants grow to about 10 inches tall, laying them down like this helps reduce apical dominance and keeps them from getting too leggy. The part close to the ground can also grow new roots, which helps you absorb more nutrients.
So I'm supposed to just lie here like this? How am I supposed to bear fruit?
Relax, we'll prop you back up later.
This lay it down trick for tomatoes really works. Huge harvest this year.
Hey, why'd you cut off my branches? I'm practically bald now. How am I supposed to bear fruit?
I figured you growing only eggplants was kind of boring, so I grafted a few other varieties onto you.
Oh, sure. Sounds nice. But really, you just want me to raise someone else's kids for free.
2,000 years later.
Now we've got peppers, tomatoes, and eggplants. No worries about ingredients for cooking anymore.
Wow, I didn't expect grafting two kinds of vegetables at the same time would actually work. Looks like we're in for a big harvest this year.